If you're trying to connect your DJI Mic 2 with a MacBook, let's see 2 simple ways to pair and use the mic with your macOS so you can start recording clean professional audio right away. The first way we're going to show you is especially handy if you do not have any receiver with you currently, and that is the Bluetooth pairing. To further make sure the transmitter when a pair is turned on, check the LED. At the other side, you're going to press and hold down this recorder button. It might show a green, yellow, or blue LED, it doesn't matter. And then just take it into pairing mode by pressing on this link button. As soon as you do that, the blue light will start flashing rapidly. That means it's on pairing mode. So on your Mac, open Settings, go to Bluetooth. Your DJI Mic's name will pop up in here. Just hit the name and pair it to your Mac. Additionally, you can go to your sound settings, and from here, make sure DJI is selected as an input device. Now, by the exact same process, if you want, you can pair the second mic to your Mac as well. And then you can record via that mic to your MacBook. But the only catch is, at the same time, only one microphone will be active and usable if you are connected via Bluetooth. So if you want to connect both of your mic, maybe to record a podcast, in that case, you can follow this second way, and that is to connect via USB. And for that, you need to have the receiver with you. And also, you gotta grab a Type-C to C or USB to C cable. Just connect one end to the receiver's USB port and another to your Mac's port. But after connection, you're going to just go ahead and check on your sound settings once again. You'll find that the receiver marked as USB is showing up in here. Just make sure it's selected as an input device. If you got any pop-up on your MacBook for an outside connection, just allow or confirm it. And then, whether one or both the mic is connected to the receiver, you can use both the transmitter to record on your MacBook. And that's how you can connect your DJI Mic 2 with any MacBook. Thanks for watching.